Hello everyone, this is for class 10 CBSE syllabus maths exercise 1.3 question number 2. Exercise 1.3. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So in the last class நம்ம rational number clear சொல்லிட்டோம். It is of the form p by q where q not equal to 0. We prove this by assumption. அப்போ நம்மளுடைய assumption wrong அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு contradiction வரும். So that this is an irrational number அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். So first we are assuming 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number where this root 5 is irrational. அது நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும், root 5 is irrational. So rational number can be written in the form p by q where q not equal to 0 provided p and q co-prime இருக்கணும். Co-prime அப்படிங்கிறது previous classல clear-ஆ பார்த்துட்டோம். So this is equal to in the form p by q. Since it is a rational number அப்படின்னு நம்ம we have assumed it is a rational number. So write in the form p by q. So plus 3 in the side கொண்டு வா, cross multiply 2 root 5 equal to this one. So how we can write 2 root 5 equal to this, bring 2 to the denominator. This is p and q are integers, beginning இருக்கு, p and q are integers. Therefore p minus 3q and 2q are integers. So an integer by an integer is a rational number. Why it is an integer means in the beginning we have taken it is a rational number. A rational number is in the form p by q ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம். ஸோ பியும் க்யூவும் கண்டிப்பாக என்னவாக இருக்கும், இன்டிஜராக இருக்கும். whether maybe plus or minus it is an integer. So root 5 equal to இந்த சைடு rational numberனு வந்துடுச்சு. But this is irrational only. We know root 5 is an irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. This contradicts our assumption is wrong since root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore 3 plus root 5 definitely it should be an irrational number. We have taken as a rational number but the assumption is wrong, so it is an irrational number. Now question number 3, prove that the following are irrational numbers. So take the first one. இதில் root 2 வந்து irrational. We know root 2 is irrational. So let us assume, as usual we are assuming 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So immediately we can write in the form p by q where q not equal to 0 provided p comma q co-prime pair. Root 2 equal to p by q. Q by p. And we write in the reciprocal form 1 by root 2 p by q. Therefore root 2 equal to q by p. So it shows a rational number or q by p is a rational number where p not equal to 0. But root 2 is an irrational number. An irrational number equal to rational number, that is wrong. Therefore our assumption is wrong. So this contradicts the fact since root 2 is an irrational. Therefore 1 by root 2 is irrational. Now question number substitution 2 ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 7 root 5 இருக்கா. In the same way we are proceeding. Here we know root 5 is irrational. So let us assume 7 root 5 is a rational number. So immediately you can write in the form p by q where q not equal to 0 and p q are co-prime. Then bring 7 to the denominator. This is an integer, this is an integer. It means it is a rational number, but as root 5 equal to rational, definitely this contradicts because root 5 is irrational only. So our assumption is wrong. 7 root 5 is a rational number. Subdivision 3, 6 plus root 2. As usual we are assuming this is a rational number where this root 2 is irrational number. So we can write in the form p by q. This we know. Take plus 6 this side. So you can cross multiply. So p minus 6q by q. So an integer by an integer implies a rational number But root 2 equal to rational number not possible since root 2 is irrational. So the fact that root 2 is irrational, this contradicts our assumption is wrong. 6 root 2 is irrational number. This is irrational. So in the next class we can see exercise 1.2, 1.3 solved question based on 1.2 and 1.3.